Hey y'all, it's Imagene, Aigs.
And Edna, Hamm.
And we're the Truck Stop Girls.
Ham and eggs are cooking in the kitchen now, chewing the fat, spitting it out. You ain't never had cooking quite so fine anywhere around the Mason-Dixon line. Just one look and you'll know why. Variety is the spice of life. You ain't never met anyone in the world quite like the Truck Stop Girls.
Join Imagene and Edna for the Truck Stop Girls Live, an eventful evening full of hilarious comedy, great music, wonderful recipes, and unique arts and crafts.
We almost didn't make it over here tonight. We was coming over here and Imogene's Ford Pinto. Now, she's a good driver, but we got some bad drivers here in Pigeon Forge. We was coming down the parkway, and this fella, he just kept coming over into our lane, almost hit us 3 times. I looked over at him. He was using one of those electric razors and talking on his cell phone. Made me so mad. Well, me being in the passenger seat, I just rolled down my window and said, "Hey, buddy, watch what you're doing. My friend's trying to put on her makeup, and you almost made her spiral."
Whose cell phone? I hear one. Where is it? Come up here. Whoever's cell phone, come up here right now. Where are you? I hear it. Come on, hurry up. We got a show to do. You're interrupting my show. Come here, right here.
He's half down.
Didn't I tell you to turn that off? Didn't I tell you I was going to embarrass you? Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off. And go sit down and watch your show that way. You don't get to do nothing else. I told you I was going to embarrass you. Anybody else caught making a cell phone call or getting one, I'm going to make you take your shirt off too. Well, except for you, honey. We don't want to see that. Here she's to tell you her story right now. The one and only Edna Hamm.
Sometimes it's hard to be a woman, giving all your love to just one man. But if you love him, oh, be proud of him, 'cause after all, he's just a man. Something more to come to when nights are cold and lonely. Stand by your man and tell the world you love him. Keep giving all the love you can. Stand by your man. Here she is, one of the hardest working women I know. Pigeon Forge's answer to Dolly Parton. Wait a minute. Dolly Parton is Pigeon Forge's answer to Dolly Parton.
Just did it how I wrote it.
Pigeon Forge's answer to Dolly Parton. I'm Gene Aigs.
Working 9 to 5.
Now, I have made a lovely holiday also using a can. We've got a thing here. Now, I like to use ginger ale cans because they're the colors of Christmas. There's gold and green and red. And what you're going to do is you're just going to cut the logo out on the side of the ginger ale can. Be real careful because it gets really sharp. And you want to take you some cool tabs from the rest of the cans that you drunk of. You can use beer cans. And you're going to take that and you're going to take a hole punch and just punch right. And just be careful because they'll fly and hit your nail out. And you're going to take, put them on there, you're going to take some rib in. Well, here, this is halfway through. This is easier to show. You're going to take some, just flip it in and out like that. Just keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You can go around and around. It looks like that. And it's done.
Lord, that is lovely. I bet you could make a great big one to go on top of your tree, couldn't you?
You could use a keg.
Lord, this is our redneck tiramisu now. Lord, it is some good stuff. Let me tell you, here's how you do it. You're going to need a little bit of Kahlua or some kind of a coffee liqueur or something like that. You just want to pour some of this in your little trifle. This is the trifle dish, y'all. Lord, I might have to have some of that. That's some good stuff. That's some good stuff. Now, once you get some Kahlua in there, or your liqueur in there, Twinkies, y'all. Twinkies, Lord. Let me tell you, ain't that some good stuff, Edna? You're just going to put your Twinkies down in here. Now, that's going to soak up all that liquor.
Now, we've only got 4 here, but just
You
put
just
it in
fill it
until the
up
whole
as
bottom
much
is
as you
completely
want to
covered.
put in there now. And you want to take some vanilla wafers or some graham crackers, either one. Now, I like vanilla wafers, so that's what we're going to use. Girl, you better not eat all them. You just want to crush them up and put them on top. So just, there you go. Just crush them all. Crush them. Crush them like you're crushing nuts, girl. Yes, Lord, I know it. Now, this is going to be good. Now, you can finish it off with some Cool Whip on top if you wanted to. And we're on a diet, so we decided not to use Cool Whip. Anyway, after that, all you got to do is just dig in and eat some. Let me tell you, let's try this. I'm going to try a little bite. That is so good here, Edna. You should try some of this. Here you go. That is good stuff, Lord. Here, try some more. No, come on, try some more. This is good stuff.
I gotta wipe it down.
Y'all need to have some. This is some good stuff. Nice.
Or join them for one of their great special events. The incredibly popular Truck Stop Girls Bingo. Or a fun evening of Imagene and Edna's Avon Party. And you never know which one of their friends are going to drop by. Jose Diaz, Kitty Kennedy Van Buren, Wendy Rain Meadows, Jerry Leibowitz, or one of their other surprise celebrity guests. So, call now and book Imagene Aigs and Edna Hamm, the Truck Stop Girls, for a wonderful evening of fun.
You better book these guys. I ain't afraid to spit in your food, I say.
The Truck Stop Girls
in the
Live.
kitchen now, chewing the fat, spitting it out. You ain't never had cooking quite so fine. Anywhere around the Mason-Dixon line. Just one look, and you'll know why. Variety.